Hey there, couch potatoes and future fitness freaks. Pause that Netflix binge and listen up. What if I told you that you could lose weight faster than you lose your TV remote? Stick around, because we're about to turn your spare tire into a six-pack, all on a budget tighter than your current jeans. Welcome back to ZenFit Journey, where we turn jelly rolls into rock-hard abs and make your wallet say, thank you. I'm your host, Captain Cheapskate, and today we're diving into weight loss hacks so affordable, even your pet rock could afford them. That's right, we're talking penny pinching, pound shedding magic that'll make your grandma proud and your scale cry tears of joy. But first, let's play a game. Pause this video right now and go find the most ridiculous health product you've ever bought. Got it? Okay, now hold it up and say, I can't believe I bought this. Done? Great! Now you're ready for some real talk. Last year, I almost bought a vibrating belt that promised to shake the fat right off my body. Spoiler alert, the only thing it would have shaken was my faith in humanity. Instead, I put on my bargain hunting pants, you know, the ones with the elastic waistband, and set out to find weight loss solutions cheaper than a pack of ramen noodles. And boy, did I hit the jackpot. First up, let's talk about the ultimate weight loss elixir, good ol' H2O. It's like nature's appetite suppressant, minus the weird side effects and infomercial host. Here's a fun challenge: every time you think about snacking, chug a glass of water instead. If you're still hungry after that, congratulations! You've discovered actual hunger. If not, well, enjoy your trip to the bathroom. Who needs a fancy gym when you've got legs? Walking is the superhero of exercises, underappreciated but secretly awesome. Try this. Next commercial break, don't fast forward. Instead, march in place until your show comes back on. You'll either get fit or develop a newfound appreciation for ads. Either way, you win. Forget expensive equipment. Your body is all the gym you need. It's like having a 24/7 fitness center attached to your brain. Let's try one right now. Stand up and do 10 squats. Go on, I'll wait. Done? Congrats! You just worked out more than 90% of the people watching this video. You're practically Arnold Schwarzenegger now. Eating healthy on a budget is like playing Tetris with your fridge, but tastier. Buy veggies that are in season, embrace frozen produce, and become besties with beans and lentils. They're cheap, filling, and make you toot, which is basically a free of workout, right? Here's a challenge: next grocery trip, try to buy only foods that grow from the ground or had a mom. Your body and wallet will thank you. Fiber-rich foods are the unsung heroes of weight loss. They keep you full longer and are usually cheaper than that fancy latte you don't need. Let's play fiber roulette. Close your eyes, go to your kitchen, and grab the first fruit or veggie you touch. Now eat it. Congrats, you just had a fiber party in your mouth. Here's a weight loss tip that's literally free: sleep. It's like time traveling to Skinny Town. Try this: set a bedtime alarm on your phone. When it goes off, pretend you're a toddler and put yourself to bed, no arguments. Your future, well-rested, slightly less hangry self will thank you. Stress can make you eat more than a bear preparing for hibernation. But managing stress doesn't have to cost a thing. Here's a fun one: next time you're stressed, have a 30-second dance party. Go wild. Flail those arms. Shake that booty. You'll either de-stress or give your neighbor something to talk about. Win-win. Now, for the grand finale of my personal weight loss journey. Remember that vibrating belt I almost bought? Well, instead of wasting money on that jiggle machine, I used that cash to buy a bunch of veggies and a pair of dancing shoes. 6 months later, I had lost 20 pounds, discovered I actually like kale, who am I, and can now do the worm without actually looking like one. Alright, fitness warriors, it's your turn. What's the craziest thing you've done to lose weight? Drop your stories in the comments. The wilder, the better. Let's turn this comment section into a comedy club of weight loss fails and wins. And now, The moment you've all been waiting for, the ultimate cheap weight loss hack that changed everything. Are you ready? It's mindful eating. That's right, simply paying attention to what you're shoveling into your face can make a huge difference. It's like becoming a food detective, minus the cool hat and magnifying glass. So there you have it, folks. Losing weight doesn't have to cost more than your monthly subscription to that streaming service you forgot you had. With these simple, affordable strategies, you can start your weight loss journey faster than you can say kale smoothie, and probably with less gagging. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or fancy gadgets. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself, and don't forget to laugh along the way. After all, a giggle burns calories too. If this video made you laugh harder than your first attempt at yoga, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button like it's a piñata full of weight loss tips. And hey, while we're talking about smashing goals, why not level up other areas of your life too? Head over to shop.bytvault.co.in for some killer deals on digital products. From ebooks to online courses, they've got everything you need to upgrade your brain while downgrading your waistline. Use code FITNESS10 for an extra 10% off your first purchase. It's like getting a high five from your wallet and your future self at the same time. Thanks for watching, you beautiful budget-conscious health nuts. Stay zen, stay fit, and remember, the only thing we want heavy is your wallet and your laughter. See you in the next video, where we'll probably figure out how to turn eye-rolling into a calorie-burning exercise. Until then, keep it cheap, keep it cheerful, and keep those calories shaking in their boots.